Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. Now, I've shown this in tutorials at the very start, but we're going to show it again. So ChatGPT Plus is actually ChatGPT 14. It's a much newer and a much more complex AI. Press this button. This is our current plan. If you want to upgrade, press this upgrade button, which could take a while, and it's going to bring you to a new page. Now here is where you're going to check out. Now remember, this is a monthly subscription. So as soon as you put in all of your information, it's going to bill you to the date where you subscribe. You will need your car information, name on card, or anything that you wish to. Remember, you're going to be automatically billed unless you cancel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.